Hello everyone. Myself Tina Chandra. As a profession, I am a teacher. Few years back, I was not at all interested in any of the investment plan. I was not saving anything. I used to waste a lot of money on all the useless thing. But one day, when my mama was hospitalized, at that time I realized the importance of saving the money. I realized the importance of Mediclaim. I started searching for a person. I started searching for someone who can help me in certain kind of investment because there was no saving done by me. All the money was just flowing just like a river. Finally, during that time, a person called Mr. Sanjay Patil joined our school. Many of the teachers approached him. They asked me, why don't you go and ask him? At first, I was really reluctant. Should I go or should I not? But finally, I went. I told him each and everything and why I need an investment plan, why I need to do the saving. That person told me that can I give him one day? I told him yes. He came to my home. He came with lot of file and all papers work. I was really scared. My God, what he is going to show me, whether I will be able to understand or not, because I was a such type of person who used to remain very far away from all this investment plan. But finally, when the person started explaining, when Mr. Sanjay Patil started explaining, each and every point got very clear to me. First of all, he started with the RD, fixed deposit, then Mediclaim, and he told why Mediclaim is important. He explained each aspect of Mediclaim. He explained each aspect of it so that it can be very clear to me before I finally go for it. If I was not able to understand, he used to just figure it out on a paper and show it to me so that I am clear before I invest in any such thing. LIC policy which I took from him is really very helpful for me. It is not that he has not explained anything before asking me to just go for the investment. He has given me all the explanation. He has made me understand each and every policy, and then he left on me whether I should go for it or not. He never asked me that, yes, if I am explaining you, you are supposed to invest in that. No, he never did like that. He explained each and every point so clearly, it was crystal clear to me that yes, I should go for it. There was no pressurization from his part. He came to my home, he just explained everything very nicely, and it was really very clear to me. I am really thankful that I got a person like him who could explain me, a person who is not at all interested in any kind of investment. He explained me in such a nice way. I am really thankful to you, sir, that for you now at least I can say that I have started saving the money. I am really very thankful to you. Thank you, sir.